start things off, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. This morning I'm spending my time with Julian. First off, we needed to stop for gas. Second, to introduce the day, we're going to a new park. We took our chance to eat and continued on our way. To specify, we went to Pascuayaki Skate Park, located south of Tucson.
New park.
This park is much different than we're used to. Although it isn't very big, this small street-style park has no bowls but multiple ramps, transitions, and rails. It's around 10 o'clock and we only have till about 1. The plan is to ride around, get a feel for our feet, and a desire for new tricks. The aspect of an empty park gives me the ability to widen my content. The access to film what I want and where I want. It's fun and all to scooter, but even better with a friend. As we ride together, we gain the comfortability to try new things. Out of one of us, Julian was able to learn the stall. Limited time doesn't stop us, but pushes us to get out of our comfort zone.
Did a whip over that.
Oh yeah. We might repeat our tricks, but it's nice to be comfortable in everywhere you ride.
We have limited time for this. 3 tries. Come on, God. Come on, God. Come on, God. Yes, yes. God help me on that one. He got his, I gotta get mine, bro. Oh.
After countless tries, I like to give myself an amount to hopefully beat it. To end off our time, I'd like to give thanks to Julian for the ride and his company. The more time we spent, it got later, making the overall decision to head back. After driving some time, we found this car wash, but not just any car wash. Just like any place or hometown, Tucson has its known artists, and this place was full of their pieces. As we took our peaks, we kept it going till we were back home. We said our goodbyes and went our separate ways. As I record my weekend, I made sure to keep it going. As an artist myself, I wanted to incorporate my recent drawing. On with the video. This evening we plan to go eat dinner with my family. First we stopped at my grandpa's house in the meantime. My aunt and uncle from California came down to visit and they're staying here. We are going out to dinner to welcome their stay. The inside of this restaurant was nice. The setup was fancy, but I had to keep it casual with mac and cheese. It's a little loud, but
I can't fit inside my pants.
that was TMI. I'm just joking. That was too much information. That's it from us tonight. I'm gonna show y'all the ride home, and I'm gonna get into tomorrow because there is more to film. There's more to film. Since my aunt and uncle are here to visit, the family would like to do one last thing. We did go over to my grandpa's again, but this time to get situated. For how many times I visit, I can't get over the layout, the sculptures, vases, and knickknacks. As for yesterday, I like to enjoy my time outside, not to escape the house, but to take in what the day offers. My grandma loved the nature look and what it portrays. My grandpa has kept it up to maintenance ever since. Lately, my videos have been more towards nature and the beauty of it. Sometimes I like to sit instead of stand. It brings different views of different highlights. To continue, I like to share my journey with you. Connecting with the world recently gave me the perspective to tag along today. For all the places I've gone, I hadn't known about this place till now. For starters, this isn't about what I see, but what it brings and how it affects me. Although I'm just taking a stroll, there's a process behind everything done here. Nothing better than to do this with my family. As I keep walking, step after another, I don't just notice, but appreciate the reality of it, instead of what it seems. The realization to take a deep breath, the reach for beauty, and the sense for feeling. Not to dwell on life, but to act as a kid again. But no matter what, the view seems to retrace back to me. You may ask yourself, what's the big deal? It's normal to see these kind of things, or this isn't that exciting. But to me, it's how you view it, what you smell, and what thoughts it brings. It may be another turn to another walk, but I'm here to show you it's much more than that. To not just watch, but to live the adventure. As we know it, the world is a constant moving thing, too much time to waste and not enough time in your day. But pulling out my camera brings me more than that. To hit record and have the ability to relive the moment anytime after that. This might be another video to you, but it's hard work taken out of each week to hopefully make it one day. So don't forget to support the journey. Yo, quick side missions. Damn, this really goes way farther than I thought it would. There's so much water here. You don't understand. This was like off the highway. The random abyss. Yo, that duck has a blue head. How do I get back? It's all good. Take in the nature's redundance. What it shows off, what it gives to us, what it brings, what it holds. Ha! Yeah, quotes. This was just like a side thing to do overall for the day, but man, this is worth it. My aunt came from California, so that's the main reason we're going out this weekend, doing stuff. But hey, I'm not complaining. This is definitely worth it, especially how we're all about nature recently. So This fits the subject. Doing this isn't just for the fun of it, but to make new paths, share new experiences, and relive memories. Not only is this a journey, but an opportunity to learn, share, and grow. For me, going out on a walk isn't to reflect. Sitting outside isn't to make up, but being out here is for me to seek out for more than myself. As said before, this was my first time here, and as I go, there's one more thing after another. This is unbelievably beautiful. Things like this make you forget where you are. Helps you focus less on what's really going on to where you're at and to taking it all in. Quite nice, I'd say. The secret behind nature is what's behind the streets, neighborhoods, and trees. I would have never known this was here if we hadn't gone. I love going to places with limited time. It gives me the chance to share my experience my way. There's all sorts of paths, but countless places to look. Everywhere it felt like it never ended. After all, this place has been amazing. It might be casual, but you'd never expect it for the location that it's in. As one might say, it doesn't matter where you go, but what you make out of it. If you've been here some time, my days out is focused towards things I love, doing what I do, and doing things differently. If you are new here, drop a sub. This morning we were supposed to stop at my mom's work, but didn't have enough time, which brings us here after. My parents are here to clean the bubble wall. They've done this before, so I decided to not interfere. After about 15 minutes, it was back up and working. And heading home now. So now that I'm back home, I did come and pick up Diana. Just to change up my afternoon, I wanted to spend the rest of the time with her. Once we were back at my house, we planned to use our time to relax together. By the time we were heading back, we stopped for 2 chocolate milkshakes. That does wrap up our night and my time here. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to watch the others.
Before I feel like I'm like fulfilled in this game, let me try to reach new heights from a skill level standpoint. Remember I told you about the 7-minute drill? Like I put myself through drills. I really try to work on my craft to like just reach new heights, new heights, new heights.